In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can create an Amazon account from Jamaica. Now, this is very easy to do. What you need to do is go to amazon.com, and then here at the top, you're going to select account and list, and then select sign in. Then here is where you're going to select create your Amazon account, specify your name, your phone number, and a password, and then select continue. Provide your verification code and then select create your Amazon account. Now once you create your account, there are two more things that you can do to complete your account. Although at the time of purchasing something on Amazon, it will ask you for that information, but you can go ahead and set them up in advance, right? So you can add your credit or debit card and your billing or shipping address. So you want to go to your account and then select account and then select your address and then select add address. And then here you're going to add the shipping address, right? Whether it's your local Jamaican address or the address of a shipping company. So Amazon is now shipping to Jamaica, so add your address, and when you're checking out, you know if they ship to the address that you provide. Now the next thing you want to do before and is also add your debit or credit card. So let's step back to account, and then where you see your payment methods, you can add a credit card or debit card here to complete your payment. And that's basically it. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.